Hi Simon!
Hi.
How's your day?
Good.
How good is your day? What did you do today?
What's that? Show me. Show me your paper bag.
The Distortus rack. You guys go over and Hey guys, I'm back. Now let's unbox this Distortus Rex. With my scissors, of course. Obviously, you might think, why is my mama not here? Where else? Oh, don't scratch that. There. Where else? Wait, guys, I have to turn it around. Yeah. Help, Mama. Ow. I'm excited. Mama. Whoa, y'all, it's unboxed. Oh, my bad. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is my first ever experience doing an unboxing video about the most wanted dinosaur. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh, y'all! Y'all! Oh my gosh! So this is the dinosaur. You guys, there's an off and on button. Okay, let's get up to the features. Straighten up those legs. There you are. And then, now, one of the features, roaring. That's crazy. Guys, and next feature, slashing. Sorry guys, my sister's here.
Other side.
Y'all, this is amazing. I never knew they designed it like this. I like how the slashing features are. And yeah. Sorry guys, my sister's here. Bye guys, see you in the next video.